It's finally Friday, honey buns, and our Baytown stars have got the party started. From Priyank Sharma and Shaza Morani taking the plunge to Shraddha Kapoor and Rohan Shrestha going public, Sonu Sood gets a breather from the Supreme Court, some new updates from the sets of Salman Khan's Next. We've saved up the biggest headlines for you today. Get dressed, turn up the music and bring out the publies. It's time to kick off the weekend with a party. Padmini Kolhapuri's son Priyank Sharma and producer Kareem Morani's daughter Shaza Morani had their fairy tale trip to forever commence in the presence of Bollywood's biggest stars, everyone from Anil Kapoor to Boney Kapoor, Suraj Pancholi to Zayed Khan, Siddhant Kapoor, Sunny Deol, Bhagyashree, Juhi Chawla and many others joined in to celebrate love at the producer's residence in Mumbai. The lovebirds even made their first joint appearance before the Shutterbucks, looking every bit in love. Curiosity got the best of our days, especially when we saw Shraddha Kapoor and rumoured boyfriend Rohan Shrestha at the wedding. Dressed to impress, the two made quite the pair. Sadly for shippers, these two seem persistent on keeping 2 arms distance. They can deny it all they want and keep mum about the alleged romance, but we got the pics and our wild imagination. Keeping the celebrations going all through the weekend is actress Priyanka Chopra. The Desi girl is going places and doing great things, the latest being shortlisted and in the running for a BAFTA nomination. Being a little extra generous and kind this year, the award show decided to put out a long list of films, actors, directors in the running for a BAFTA award. As much as we'd already like to place our bets on the winners, it must be noted that the final list of nominations for the BAFTA awards will be announced on March 9th. Good luck PC, keep those Oscar dreams alive. While Priyanka may have the nerves kicking in, Sonu Sood has caught himself a breather courtesy the Supreme Court. The actor was allowed to withdraw his petition from the Supreme Court in connection with his plea challenging the notice by the BMC regarding alleged illegal construction at his residential building in Juhu. A 3-judge bench of the Supreme Court headed by CJI Sharad Arvind Bobde allowed the actor to withdraw his petition. The Honorable Supreme Court has finally given me a breath of fresh air and time to take corrective measures, he said with a grateful heart in a lengthy social media post. Guess that's one less Bollywood star in court. Rihanna may not have made it to day 3 on the trending charts, but Taapsee Pannu and Swara Bhaskar sure have. The actresses found a new fan in Abhay Deol who hailed the girls for their bold stand in the face of those India against propaganda tweets. Sharing screenshots of the 3 actresses' tweets, he wrote, "The popular expression having the BAL, let's not say more, means having the courage." He went on to add a lot more. And Taapsee, Farah and Swara, y'all should be in the next Rihanna video. Right-wing trolls in 3, 2, 1. And finally, we're wrapping up this segment for the week with some updates from Bhaijan Salman Khan. The actor is all set to wrap up the last schedule until the final truth on a song. Rumour has it that the song titled Bhai Ka Birthday will also feature Ayush Sharma and will be the Hindi counterpart of RRR Khatarnak that featured in the original film. The song is reportedly a catchy party number, so put on your dancing shoes and let's get groovy. We're gonna work on our moves, but we'll be back on Monday. See you all. Bye-bye.